In the office we are close to final touches, so now I will have to prepare this oven, I don't know how do you say, to go up. So now all its parts must be cleaned, and then we have to install something for our table, and I will show you how we will do this table. We have this old saw, you see, like it was something for cutting the metal, and I would like to use this saw like a basis for the future table. You know, I was thinking to put it so we can adjust the height of the table, but finally it's not very high. It's something like 15 centimeters, so I'm not sure that it will be worth. What do you think? Like, you know, here, if we install the, you know, the table here, and so we can lift it a little bit, but I'm not sure, because actually, you know, if we just put it like this, maybe it will be better. Here we install this, and here we make some, you know, something to fit our table, so like this it can be, you know, industrial style. So here we will have to do a drywall. It will go like this, and it will go in. I have 13 millimeters of the thickness of drywall, so I would like here maybe to do it so it stays like this, and if inside it goes in, it doesn't really matter, I think. Yeah, I think it will be okay like this. So where it can go. 70. If it goes like this, I think it's quite okay. It's really plenty of space. I wonder if I can do it smaller, something. Do we need a large toilet? Like if I'm here, I put myself here. Well, it won't be large finally. It will be, I think it will be enough. So, and here, what will be the... And some people will ask me, why are you putting metal frames and not wooden ones? I will reply, some people do construction and some people do YouTube. And for sure you saw on some channels people putting wooden. In France it's not recommended. In our region it's not recommended at all. Sorry?
What's the reason?
Because you know the wood, it will get deformations with its moisture and everything. Here it changes a lot. We are near the Atlantic Ocean, so it's ocean climate. I don't know. climat océanique in French. And so if you put wood in some years, it will move. Well, somebody will say, it will make more content for my channel. Look what we found in the, I don't know where, put what you want. Yeah. That's it. Okay. Okay. These two will come like this. And then every like 60 centimeters, so here one, and then we finish here. But before we have to do the floor. So that's the technique. And now I think we are done on this space. So now the work here is done. Now we will see what did Mathieu. So meanwhile we were doing the drywall, our colleague cleaned the stove. Check this out how it is. This stove I paid really cheap because it was old, but finally, you know, we can make it really nice. Ladies and gentlemen, so as you see, we advance in the garage. Otherwise, we have also to advance in the chateau somehow. Actually, the weather is not very nice to us, so you know, we advancing as we can, and I have several days where I have to do cleaning. So, well, you will see some cleaning. You will see also what we are doing. I think the office in the workshop is almost finished. The workplace is finished. So now we are adding, you know, some work posts in aim to work there with several machines. Actually, we have only one that is fully functional. That's it. And you can see those guys. You know, they are getting closer, they are getting familiar, but for the moment it's not won. Their confidence must be won somehow, but now it's not the case. Check out his ears. You know, they have little ears, and sometimes they can put it like this, like a little fox. Ветер, ветер, нельзя. Иди сюда. He's scared. This one is less scared. And in their pair, this one, the one that is scared, is dominant. And they are quite kleptoman. How do you call? They steal stuff if they can. Ветер, ветер, нельзя. Иди сюда. See you in the next episode. Please like, subscribe, and like this.